Alright, here is the before the trees are cut down view of the house. And once these trees get cut down, you're actually going to be able to see the beautiful house that's hiding behind them. It's a little bittersweet to take these down, but they're rotting away on the inside. They have carpenter ants in them. They've been suffocated by vines. They've ruined the sidewalk, and they're wrapped around the water main. So they're going to have to go, sadly. Alright, another busy day here on Main Street. We're tearing up the sidewalks. That's in preparation for the trees to come down tomorrow. And it's also in preparation for the water to be put in this week. It's a busy week, hot week. So stay tuned for more. Alright, 24 hours later, the trees are all gone, and you can see the house now. It's the first time in decades you can actually drive by and see the house.